Is this really close? Guess what? It's because I have a reveal. I put on my jacket so I can do my laundry. Because it's raining and windy outside. And this is what I look like. A white-eyebrowed, tumor-ridden, cucumber pickle cone head. Put that on a t-shirt and sell it. Look at this rain. Isn't it beautiful? So white. For once, I'm not white. What's going on with my beanie? Can we just talk about beanies for a second? Who came up with the term beanie? Like, where did that come from? You know? You know what I'm talking about? Like, beanie, like, is this your bean? We call it your noggin, your noodle, your nut. Why not, like, head sock, the scootaboosh, hair warmer, reverse turtleneck, head glove, cranium sock, cranium cozy. You know, like all these different ones. Beanie. Where did that come from? Where did the beanie part? And why is it beanies, not beans? You know? Questions for your noodle, which is underneath your noodle pot. I like cranium cozy. Can we coin it? I don't think I have the power to coin it, but let's coin it. Crazy cranium. Nope. What was it? Cranium cozy. Sleepy eyes. Good morning. Good morning. Find the mouse. Whoa! Are they sleeping? Are they falling asleep? Look at their eyes are closed. Oh, they looked at me. Sorry. Good night. That's a very annoying noise. You sound like a jammed printer. Or my siblings. Can we just take a moment to appreciate gun boots? I mean, they are so fantastic. You just, look at this. Slip your foot out, slip your foot in, slip your foot out and shake it all again. I know most people have discovered gun boots and this is not a new thing. But for a city gal, these are fantastic. Love it. What's that? Are you going to sing a song? Gun boots, 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 gun boots. Sponsored by Gun Boots. Sponsored by no one. Because maybe I will one day get a sponsor or a Subway sandwich that long. I don't know. It's a horse conference call. Look at all of them. Spot, Silver, Lizzie, Darcy, and Snow. There's Bunny, and there's Richard. And then there's Jasper in a different paddock. Last morning, feeding the horses at the Scott estate. Ba-da-bum. It's been raining pretty hard, but look at that. It's just beautiful. The sun is rising. There's some pink over there you can't see because I'm too short. Oh well. Why didn't I take the train before? Why did I take 2 buses? This is awesome. Treating myself to a massage before I do heavy work. Hey! Say your name!
I'm Leah from German.
Wait, what's your last name?
Photenhauer.
It's like Photenhauer.
It's like the most complicated surname.
You're supposed to with the PF, we spell the PF. I'll type it.
And we also have the same name basically, because my middle name is Zoe as well.
And I'm Zoe, so we are having some of the best milkshakes I have ever had. This banana caramel, it's a little pricey, but so good. It's in airplane seats. There's actual seatbelts. All right, high five the German. Woo! Yo, 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 Trek Global Hostel. What's your name?
Camilla.
And where are you from?
Italy.
Tell me a fun fact.
Fun fact.
1,
Fun
2,
fact.
3.
Oh my god.
Everyone hates that question.
Yeah, I know, it's terrible, it's terrible. I don't know, fun fact, I just helped my friend clean up his flat. And we took 2 hours, because people are really messy.
Look, hire her, people. She wants to stay in New Zealand in Wellington.
That would be great.
I know.
Let's hope so.
And she has blue hair.
And I have blue hair.
I know.
She compared me to a little pony.
I don't know. My little pony, my Italian stallion. Ah. And we talked about cinema.
Oh, yeah.
Cinema Italiano.
Cinema Italiano. Food.
Yeah.
Lots of food.
Food's
Traveling.
good. Oh, she
Traveling
told me
was
about the
good.
milkshakes at the Mama Brown's.
Mama Brown.
Oh.
Shout out to Mama Brown
That's
for
right.
having the best milkshakes in town.
And you two are some of the best group buddies I've met. Hey, you guys high five. High five how cool you are.
We're such a fit.
Americans make people do stuff. I feel like Harry Potter with just a bigger bag because I'm going on a train on platform 9. We just started moving.
Boys and girls, welcome aboard the Northern Explorer.
My new home for now. Boom.
So good, so spicy. Got a little heater. I'm excited.
Excitement. Time for a new life. Bunk bed. Gun boots.
You want it right on?
Woo! Gun boots.
Shiny and new.